Hey everyone, we are back with our next chapter for weight, measuring weight. Now what do you mean by weight? Weight means to measure the weight of anything. किसी भी चीज़ का भार को measure करना, कोई चीज़ कितनी heavy है. Okay, in this world everything has a weight. आपका weight है any vehicle, car, ट्रक, स्कूटर, इन सब का वेट है. वेजिटेबल्स का वेट है. योर बेड हैज अ वेट, योर चेयर हैज अ वेट. सो एवरीथिंग हैज अ वेट एंड देयर आर सर्टेन यूनिट्स विच आर यूज्ड फॉर मेजरिंग दिस वेट. नाउ लेंथ में हमारे पास किलोमीटर था, वेट में हमारे पास किलोग्राम है, जो सबसे ज्यादा हेवी चीजों को यूज करते हैं मेजर करने के लिए. देन वी हैव ग्राम, जो लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट्स को मेजर करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. Now the relationship between 1 kg and gram is 1000 and the formula remains the same. To convert bigger unit into smaller, we are going to multiply, and to convert smaller unit into bigger, we are going to divide. Now there is exercise 1 which you have to do it yourself. That is, the standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram. Weight of gold is measured in gram. The short form of gram is G. Lightweight objects are weighed in gram. Heavy objects are measured in kilogram. You have only two units, okay, that is kg and gram. Kilogram and gram. This is what is there in your syllabus. Now let's move to exercise 2. That is change into gram. Change into gram. Now to convert gram, to convert kg into gram, so the formula remains kg आपका बड़ा है, gram छोटा है. We are going to multiply by 1000. So as we did in the measurement of length, first we are going to write on the relationship. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So we are going to multiply 6 1 से 6 and जितने zeros है उसको साथ में लगाओ. So our answer is 6000 gram. Got it? Now go for the B part. That is 8 kg 25 gram. Again write down the relationship. Then this is already in gram and this is in kg. So we are going to convert this kg. 8 multiplied by 1000 gives you 8000 gram. This is in gram and this is in gram. We are going to add these two. So 8 plus 25. So when we add them, so we get 8025 gram. Okay, and your answer will be 8025 gram. The rest of the question also remains the same. This is very easy. As I told you, one pattern will be followed in all the three chapters, that is length, weight and capacity. Now let's move to the second question, convert into kg and gram. So our second question is convert into kg and gram. Convert into kg and gram, and the sum which I am going to take is 3546 gram. So to move from gram to kg, that is smaller to bigger, we are going to divide by 1000. Remember this one. This is the rough column work. Okay. To move from gram to kg, we are going to divide by 1000. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg and छोटे से बड़े पे जा रहे, we are going to divide. So you can divide it here itself. No need to do it in the rough. Okay. First number is 3. So this will go by 3. We get 546. Okay. Now these are 3 digit and this is 4 digit. So the sum is solved. So as I told you, your question will be जिसमें आपको convert करना है kg. Okay, and your question will be your gram. So your answer is 3 kg and 546 gram. See, you can do it directly also, as you have done the division by 3 digit. What you can do when we write the question like this, you know that the 3 digit 1000 के लास्ट के 3 zeros and here last के 3 number आपके क्या होंगे, remainder, and the rest will be your question. So this will be your 3 kg and 546 gram. So here also it is not mandatory for you to show division only. You can use this method also because you have done this in division. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I hope you people have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.